Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is your English teacher Manoj Kumar Verma. Today in this video, I am going to teach you a new chapter from your first flight book, Madam Rides the Bus. In this chapter, I will teach you only the part 1 of the story and the central idea. I hope this part 1 will be fruitful and useful, and if any question will be asked from the part 1 chapter, you can solve in AISSE 2020-21 session. Thank you. Let's see. Madam, first title, it is written Madam Rides a Bus. It is written by Valikanand, is a Tamil writer. He is a pseudonym of R.S. Krishna Samay. He is a Tamil writer. He is a good journalist, critics and author also. Most of his writing is very convincing, giving message to the society, especially to the youngsters of the nation. So this great personality was born in 12 November 1920 in Tirunelveli village, and he was a good student when he was a child. He was awarded by the Indian government the Sahitya Academy Award in 1978. His art of writing is very convincing. This writer took his last breath in 9th November 2006 in Chennai. Let us see about the title. The title is Madam Rides a Bus. Here the title is Who is Madam and why it is said Madam. First I would like to clarify the title. Here this story is a story of a small girl by the name of Valimai, who is only 8 years old and very mature, very sensitive also. So this story is a very sensitive story. So this story is mature due to the maturity, and the writer has written Madam. And right means trouble. That means the small girl takes a little trouble in a bus. This is what the title says. Okay. Now the third thing is that let us see the central idea of the story. The central idea of the story is the story depicts the curiosity of the children. It also depicts the fascinating nature of the children. Third is the story also shows us that nothing is impossible in this world. Everything is possible. If anything is planned meticulously, definitely one could be successful or just achieve the goal of life or fulfill the dream. Last but not the least, the story gives the message to the reader that the mystery of life, it is said that life and death are the two faces of a same coin. This is the central idea of the story. Now let us see about the first part of the story, Madam Rides the Bus. Well, dear student, let's see. So, Valimai is a 8 years old small girl. She lives in a village. Most of time she spent her time by standing at the doorstep walk, just see the people were going and coming. The bus comes to the town and goes to the town loaded with the passengers, set of passengers. So this sight fascinated the small child Valimai. The Vali was highly fascinated, and a longing, a desire crept into her mind that once she wants to travel in the bus. This desire just grown just day by day, and she planned meticulously to ride in the bus. So she just listened the people talking about the journey. So she asked some discreet question to the people about the journey, and ultimately she just made a plan to make a journey. What was the planning? Here in the board you are seeing that the distance from the town to the village, it was 6 miles only, and it's from the 6 mile it takes the bus reaches the town in 45 minutes. She has collected the information, and the fare was only 30 paise in one direction, one side, and 30 paise on the other side. It is actually during the noon. Wali's mother used to take a napping, and she was free and she was moving in the village and watching the children playing outside. She don't have interest in the playing also. So she made a plan that she will ride a bus without informing the parents. If she boarded in the bus at 1 o'clock at noon, and he will reach by 1:45 to the town, and after 1:45, after 15 minutes later, if he just returned at 2 o'clock, he will reach by 2:45. So nobody knew about his journey, and she could travel and fulfill her desire. This is what she planned. She traveled. She just wanted to fulfill this plan, and in order to fulfill this plan, she collected money, avoiding her interest in buying chocolates, candies, peppermints, etc., and the toys also from the village fair, and she collected the sufficient money to travel from village to the town. This is what is written in the first part of the story, and in the next part of the story I would come with you in the next video about how the journey started and what did she see in course of her journey and what fascinated her a lot. These all are what we will discuss in the next video. Here you have to just keep in your mind one answer of the question, that what plan Vali made to fulfill her desire. This is the very important question, and if you just write this answer in a very short, definitely you will get the marks. Your accuracy and expression will play a very important role in expressing your idea. And if you see this video, I am sure that you will able to solve this question. Till then, thank you very much. I hope this video will be fruitful to you. Stay back home. Whenever you go out of the house, put on mask and follow the social distancing. Thank you.